Welcome to our YouTube channel Education Cinema. Today we will discuss about the centralization and decentralization difference. Now let's start. Centralization. Departments are assigned to central unit. In decentralization, departments are assigned to specific unit. In centralization, high flexibility of maintenance. In decentralization, low flexibility of maintenance. In centralization, skill availability are so high. In decentralization, skill availability are very low. In centralization, utilization of manpower are also high. In decentralization, utilization of manpower are also low. In centralization, time consuming, while decentralization is time saving. In centralization, effective job trainings are required, while in decentralization, effective job trainings are not required. Thank you.